welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share a video because this week I am in prep mode. It is the last week of school before summer break. So we are moving and grooving. Lots going on the property. Lots of fun coming up this summer with family coming to visit and camping and the garden and just so much. I love, love, love this time of the year. And I'm excited to share it with you as well. So today I'm just going to be cleaning the house. But first I wanted to give you a little peek around the property, what's popping up in the garden and what's coming soon on my channel. We have had so much rain this week and I absolutely love it. Just showers throughout the day and then the sun comes out and it's absolutely gorgeous. The spring has been so lovely and I love that coming from drought. It is just amazing to see that much rain and then the sun comes out and it's gorgeous. My routine normally every day looks like waking up, cleaning the kitchen, so the kitchen was clean, but I want to do a deeper clean today. So every day I start in the kitchen, I water the plants, and then I don't vacuum or mop every single day, but today I'm going to because I'm going to get a little bit of a deeper clean in today. Also, I'm going to clean along the edges of the house and push things back. In this process, I'll find a sock or a toy or a dust bunny or two. But yeah, definitely need to get in there and do a little bit of a deeper clean. And I can always tell when it's time just because the dust bunnies start to collect pretty quickly. So I'll either sweep first and then vacuum. This is a pretty good vacuum. I really like it actually for the hardwood floors. Actually, they're not wood, but they look like wood, but it works really, really well for these types of floors. The only problem I have with this vacuum, and I'll put a link to it, we just got it at Walmart, is we have two different batteries and the smaller battery just doesn't have a great life, or it doesn't have a great battery life. So that's kind of unfortunate. But besides that, it's a really great cordless vacuum. So yeah, I'm just going to go around and clean the vents, get rid of all of the dust bunnies and all of that around the house, and just do a closer look around to make sure I'm getting a deeper clean today. Today is also laundry day, so I'm going to clean all of the bedding. Yeah, that's a little bit of a process, so I started that really early on. So I wanted to get that done for sure. I get a lot of questions about, this home compared to our last home and how I feel about it. And, to be honest, it's hard to describe the kind of peace that you feel when you have a paid off home, which is something I never really thought would be possible at my age. So that was a very conscious choice that we made during this move, which meant sacrificing some things, but not all of the things that we love. And I think ultimately, like I've always said, there is a certain energy and love and care that you bring to a home. And ultimately, that's what makes a home a home. I grew up in Reseda, California. We had a really small home with a really tiny backyard. But my mom would plant really beautiful flowers in the backyard, which made all the difference in the world. And our backyard had lots of birds, and so I always really enjoyed that. It really is those little personal touches and those acts of love when you take care of your home that bring that energy and love to a home. It's a little bit different than the last place, but honestly, I adore this home. And to be honest, I can actually get it clean in a day, which is really nice. Right now I'm cleaning my boys' bathroom. We have 3 bathrooms in this house and this one definitely takes the most time to clean. So just cleaning up their shower/bath, the toilet, and then adding some new towels for them. I've loved every home I've ever lived in for different reasons. The memories that were built there, and this is a cottage style home surrounded by trees, and there's a lot of magic here, and it's a process too. You continue to build and add and make it your own. And we have a vision for this space as well that we will slowly create. I'm also in a new season of life in motherhood. My kids are 9 and Isaiah will be 6 very shortly here. So out of the baby phase, out of car seats, it's just a different season, which comes with its own exciting adventures. I'm cleaning up the boys' room today. I find that if I come in regularly and clean up for them, they do a better job at keeping it clean. So I'm coming in and doing a deep clean for them. My oldest son is a gamer. Him and my husband have a computer game that they like to play together. So he does have a computer on his desk. Byron built this desk for the boys, and they like to play Legos here or do schoolwork here or look through their microscope. And then I'm moving the books around. I like to move forward seasonal books, although Isaiah is really liking to still read some of the fall books that I got during the fall. He likes some of those and we just keep them out, but try to switch up the books so that there's fresh ones for them to read. And then I didn't show the other side of their room, but they do have an area for all of their toys and games and things like that. And I usually clean out their closet and organize their clothes. Now for the guest bedroom, it's a little bit of a smaller space, so I have this trundle, and I'm going to clean up the mattress and put some fresh sheets on here, because one of my goals before our family comes to visit this summer is to put some more artwork on the wall and just kind of decorate this area a little bit more, fill it out, because with our last home, the family that bought it, they bought the majority of our furniture and artwork and everything on the wall. So they just kind of kept the house as is. That made it a little easier for the move, but also had to start fresh. So yeah, but today I'm focusing on the bedding. I'm going to finish fixing the boys' bed, and then that's going to complete my cleaning for today. But I will do an updated video when I prep the guest bedroom for guests, and I'm going to do a garden update because we have a flower garden we're working on. So I will keep you posted on all of that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my channel, please be sure to thumbs up this video and also subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye.